How to keep your iPhone screen on longer, iOS 18 or newer. Hey there, ever been annoyed by your iPhone screen turning off too quickly? Don't worry, I have got a super simple fix for you. Let's dive right in and keep that screen on. Step 1. Open settings. First, head to the place where all iPhone magic happens settings. Step 2. Navigate to display and brightness. Scroll down a bit and tap on display and brightness. Easy, right? Step 3. Change auto lock duration. Now here's the key. Tap auto lock. You'll see options ranging from 30 seconds to never. Choose the duration that works best for you. Want your screen to stay on forever? Go wild and tap never. Just remember it'll drain your battery faster. Step 4. Bonus tip. Low power mode. And if you're in low power mode, this setting won't stick, so make sure that's off if you want full control. Boom, that's it, problem solved. Ha, like this tip? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and follow for more tech tricks right here on my channel. See you next time.